With the upcoming holiday, I wanted to share an easy 4th of July craft for you to do with your kids. I came across this on the Michael's Craft app. To make your own, you need 6 jumbo craft sticks, red, white, and blue craft paint, hot glue, a pencil, a ruler, and a paintbrush. Start by taking 3 sticks and draw a straight line. This will create the area for the stars. I started with my white paint. 1 stick you will only need to paint at the end. The other 2 sticks will be painted completely white. 1 will act as your handle later. I painted my red sticks next. You will need to paint 1 stick completely red and the other 2 only at the end. Now you can paint the blue sections. Let everything dry completely. I took a separate stick and broke it in half. I will use these 2 pieces to hold the flag together. Glue the handle onto your flag on the right side. Dip the end of a toothpick into the white paint and then make 5 rows of 10 dots in the blue area to represent the stars. I hope you have a happy 4th. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.